If I find a GE, the video ends. Pretty good idea, if I do say so myself. But we don't talk about the fact that this was 11 months ago. Okay, if I find a GE anything, the video ends. And I'm on with the GE Freak. So I'm gonna go wherever I want.
Wait a minute. Did Miracle find this?
Why is there
Miracle found that.
There's a manual to the floor. I don't even know if it's a manual. I don't know if it's either that or a Z-Wave or something. Oh my god, please. Damn it.
What happened?
77R. Well, at least that's what I'm gonna assume it is.
I think it's the buttons. The buttons look darker on, I think, 769s. Probably due to the cardboard. Or maybe it's the other way around. I don't know.
Oh, come on! This is... Of course I gotta find a house, but not a GE. Anything.
To the haunted house?
I'm in Texas. You know what? I'm staying in Texas. Oh. Mother of Almighty, help me. I can find whatever the hell it is before a GE. Oh. Come on. This is rigged. This is rigged. Sydney, you better get the hell back here.
I am back.
Hi. Was that
What the freak?
I hate this. I can find a TRE before a GE.
Oh, 920p again.
Oh my god, house. Oh my god, I'm free.
Who's making that sound? What does he say? What does that mean?
You should